Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. So, the anticipation is building around Google's upcoming Pixel 10 with leaks emerging from its own marketing channels. Set to take the smartphone market by storm, this device heralds cutting-edge technology and sleek design, positioning itself as a strong contender for tech enthusiasts and casual users alike. At the forefront of this stellar smartphone is a 3-inch FHD+ AMOLED flat display boasting an impressive 120Hz refresh rate. The vibrant colors and crisp clarity that the AMOLED technology provides promise an immersive viewing experience, whether you're streaming media or engaging with dynamic games. Powering the Pixel 10 is the new Tensor G5 SoC, manufactured on TSMC's advanced 3nm process, ensuring efficiency and speed. This state-of-the-art chip will optimize performance, enabling the smartphone to handle demanding tasks seamlessly while maintaining a user-friendly interface. Photography enthusiasts will rejoice at the impressive camera specifications of the Google Pixel 10. The device features a robust 50-megapixel main camera utilizing the Samsung GN8 sensor, complemented by a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens based on the Sony IMX712. For those capturing details from afar, an 11-megapixel telephoto lens offering 5x zoom is available, perfecting the art of photography. Selfie lovers will benefit from an 11-megapixel front-facing camera, also equipped with the Samsung 3J1 sensor, ensuring high-quality photos and video calls. Whether in low light or broad daylight, the Pixel 10 promises to deliver stunning visuals, harnessing the power of advanced imaging technology. The Google Pixel 10 doesn't skimp on battery life either. Pushed by a robust 4700 mAh battery, users can expect prolonged usage without frequent charging. Additionally, with 37 watts wired charging and 15 watts wireless options, staying powered throughout the day won't be a hassle. Operating on Android 16, it features an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner for added security. Its IP68 rating assures users that their device can withstand the elements, making it a valuable companion for various adventures. The Google Pixel 10 encapsulates innovation and functionality, aiming to elevate the smartphone experience to unprecedented heights. As rumors swirl and excitement grows, this device promises to be a game changer in the tech landscape. Are you excited on the upcoming Google Pixel 10? Let me know in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe and hit on the notification button. And I will catch you on the next one. Peace out.